Sedimentary rock. A sedimentary rock is a type of rock that forms when particles from other rocks or the remains of plants and animals are pressed and cemented together. Sedimentary rocks are formed due to the aggradation and compaction of the sediments. The word sedimentary has been derived from the Latin word which means settling down. Characteristics of sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are formed of sediments derived from older rocks, plants and animal remains. Thus, these rocks contain fossils of animals and plants. Most of the sedimentary rocks are permeable and porous. The sedimentary rocks are also called as stratified or layered rocks because these rocks have different layers, means strata, of different types of sediments. Types of sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks may be divided into a number of types according to their source, nature of sediments, their origin, composition, and mode of formation. The three main types are mechanically formed sedimentary rock, chemically formed sedimentary rock, organically formed sedimentary rock. Mechanically formed sedimentary rocks build up fragments of pre-existing rocks which have been produced by the process of weathering and erosion. Various agents of denudation break them and transport them to form new sedimentary rocks. Types of mechanically formed sedimentary rocks are sandstone, conglomerate, shale, etc. Next, organically formed sedimentary rock. The sediments derived from the disintegration or decomposition of plants and animals are called organic sediments. These sediments, after being deposited and cemented, form organic sedimentary rocks. For example, typical example of this kind of rocks are limestone and chalk. Chemically formed sedimentary rocks. These rocks are formed by direct inorganic mineral compounds precipitated from a saltwater solution or as hot spots of organisms. Other types are aeolian sedimentary rocks. Sediments deposited after transport by winds are called as aeolian deposits. Loess is the most important aeolian deposits. Glacial sedimentary rocks. The sediments deposited by glacier are called glacial sedimentary rocks. Types of sedimentary rocks. Look at the picture. Next, metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks formed from older parent rock, either igneous or sedimentary, under intense heat and pressure far beneath the earth's surface. For example, the original rock shell changed into slate due to heat and pressure. Characteristics of metamorphic rocks. Some rocks after metamorphism become harder than their original form. For example, marble from limestone, quartzite from sandstone, etc. The fossils of the original sedimentary rocks are destroyed and therefore they do not contain fossils. The coarse-grained metamorphic rocks are imperfectly foliated. Foliated means the parallel arrangement of certain mineral grains that gives the rock a stripped appearance. Banding. Bands of light colored minerals alternate with bands of dark colored minerals. What is metamorphism? Metamorphism means to change form, the transition of one rock into another by temperature or pressure. Kinds of metamorphism. Contact metamorphism. Contact metamorphism takes place when the mineral composition of the surrounding rocks is changed due to intense heat of the intruding magmas. This process of metamorphism is called contact metamorphism because of the fact that the metamorphism occurs when the rocks come in contact with the intruding magmas. This process is also called as thermal metamorphism because the rocks are changed in their forms due to high temperature of the intruding magmas. Dynamic metamorphism. When the changes are caused due to high pressure, it is called dynamic metamorphism. Regional metamorphism. When the rocks are altered in their forms in extensive area, the process is called regional metamorphism. The rock cycle. Rock cycle is a model representing the interrelationships among three rocks forming processes: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Look at the diagram. The parent materials of all rocks are igneous rocks. As soon as the igneous rocks come out of the surface of the earth, they are eroded by different agents of erosion. The rock material turns into sediments. The sediments deposit in layers at some place to form sedimentary rocks. These sedimentary rocks are again buried into the earth. If the sedimentary rocks go very deep in the earth, they melt, change into lava, and again come out as igneous rocks. If these sedimentary rocks do not go very deep, they may change into metamorphic rocks, which are again converted into sediments whenever they come out of the surface of the earth. In this way, a cyclic process of changing the form of the rocks is called rock cycle. And economically importance of rocks. Rocks after disintegration break into fine particles which ultimately give us soil. Rocks contain minerals which directly or indirectly help in manufacturing industries. They also supply a wide variety of minerals which become the main raw material in manufacturing industries. Rocks are also very widely used as building materials, for example, marble. Rocks also supply precious metals like gold, silver, diamond, etc.